Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best spots to farm pine mushrooms in Crimson Desert. Pine mushrooms are an essential crafting ingredient for making the best stamina meal in the game. We have a video in this channel on how to craft this meal for infinite stamina, so make sure to check that out. There are a total of 4 places in Hernan that are conveniently located near Abyss Nexus for mushroom farming. The first location is in the Haunted Hill, just a bit north of Hernan, above the letter U of the word haunted. You can simply gather these mushrooms by pressing E, or if you have the gardener's pack, you can use it here to gather all the mushrooms instantly. We have a video on how to craft the gardener's pack as well, so make sure to check it out. The second location is just south of the Cuckoo Workshop right over here. The third and fourth location are right next to each other, and it's the best farming spot for pine mushrooms. It's on the right of the letter D in Hernand, in between the letter A and S of the word Three Saints Falls. And if you walk a bit to your right, you'll see the next pine mushroom spawn right below. These mushroom spawns will regrow in a few in-game days, so you don't have to worry if it doesn't immediately grow back. And that's the best spots to farm pine mushrooms in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.